Wagwan, my people. You already know you're tuning to Click React. Guys, we're looking at Roddy Ricch pickup lines. This guy Mcqueen, he does these pickup line videos. I've always seen him do it. This has been my favorite one. I watched it like I think this was 2 years ago. I watched this, and I don't remember it fully, but I know this one was one of the funniest ones. So we're just gonna be reacting to that today, guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, drop a like. It's not hard, just a click. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of these lines. Girls, would this work on you? You know what I'm saying? And don't forget to turn on post notifications. We're just going to get right into it. I'll see you guys in the next one.
How you doing?
Okay.
What's your name?
Ashley.
Ashley? My name's Mcqueen. Nice to meet you.
Why Ashley smiling like that?
Nice to meet you. Where you? I said nice to meet you already twice. Damn. You making me nervous, man. Yeah. Where you walking to?
Where are you walking to?
I was walking up to you.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. I don't want to be in these people's way. You trying to come over here? Yeah. What you was about to do?
Her facial expressions, man.
You was just strolling through, just chilling and whatnot.
Yeah, I came to pick up something.
You came to pick up something? Oh,
My
for
boy
real?
over here checking out what's going on.
I'm here for you, bro.
Mm-hmm.
I just saw you and I was like, oh yeah, I don't want nothing else. You know what I'm saying? I just want to come and shop for you. You feel me?
Yeah.
Yeah. I had this feeling when I came in here. I'm like, I don't know what I want. And then when I walked in here, I'm like, yeah, I know what I want now. You feel me?
Yo,
Yeah,
she's
I want to
funny.
be blunt, and I hope I don't offend you when I say this, but I feel like I want to take you to my house, go in the bedroom, and make my bed go while I'm hitting you with my Roddy.
Yo.
How you feel about that?
Sounds fun.
That sounds fun. For real?
Yo, I'm
Right.
dead.
How you feel about it?
Yo, this girl is funny. And she got that ass one, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'm dead serious. You know what I mean? Now I'm dead serious. I was just joking. You for real? Yeah, no, you're not for real. You're laughing and stuff. You're not for real.
Because you're not.
You know what? I don't know what game you playing, but I like where this is going. Excuse me. Hi, how you doing? Why you just stop like that? It's like
How's
you
she
heard
supposed
me
to
from
stop?
all the way back over there and you're just like, What's your name? Becky. Oh,
With the
Becky.
good hair.
That's crazy. Huh? Why you mean chill?
I hate when people do
Really? I mean, I just didn't expect a black girl's name to be Becky. That's cool though.
Facts.
You know what I'm saying? Beyonce over here talking about, where you going, man? Where you going? Like, I just want to have a cool conversation with you. No, I think you're pretty.
You know what's funny? It just goes to show, like, if a girl's not interested or whatever, and he like stepped around her to be like, yo, where you going or whatever, that would look like harassment. You know what I'm saying?
I came over here. Yeah. Thank you. Where you walking to right now? Oh yeah, you touching me and stuff. You like that? Where you going, man? I gotta touch you. It's really important. Okay? But you can't tell nobody. This is just between you and me. I just hit a lick.
Why you trusting me with so much information? Sorry.
No, it's okay, but I mean, I trust you just because you look like a trustworthy person. I just hit a lick with the box, and I'm trying to put my stick in your box.
I honestly forgot these lines.
No.
What you mean, no?
What do you mean? You're trying to put your stick in my box.
Well, I mean, how did you interpret it?
I don't know you.
You don't know me? Like, why do you have to know me for me to put my stick in your box?
That's weird.
I was just trying to put my gun somewhere. Yeah. No, I'm just kidding. I'm actually trying to put my stick in your box. But you know
What's
what I'm
her
saying?
box? What's her box?
Obviously, like later on, that's like another story for another day. I just came over because I thought you were beautiful. I'm just saying some joke. Now start walking away, nigga. All I'm here for is because I just want to get you.
The fact that he calls girls nigga is funny.
Okay.
I have a boyfriend.
You have a boyfriend? Wait. No, I'm better looking though. I'm better looking. You don't have a boyfriend. You lying. I'm just pull out my phone.
You're so funny.
I'm funny?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. I do this for a living. Ooh, Becky, okay. Well, it was nice to meet you, Becky.
You too.
Why you?
Wait, I don't even know your
My name's
name.
McQueen. McQueen. Why are you in such a rush to walk away, man? Don't be
Like,
goddamn
I just feel like
disrespectful, man.
people
I'm really
get,
finna pull my
I
goddamn
don't
stick,
wanna
man.
Be like that girl.
What you
that's,
mean?
Like, getting numbers in the mall, you know?
Getting numbers?
I mean, like I don't want to be that girl.
What do you mean you don't want to be that
I don't
girl?
want people to see me like flirting.
Well, I mean, I want people to see me putting my stick in your box, so I'm gonna hit you up. I'm gonna hit you up later. You find me attractive?
You're right.
I'm alright. Yeah, I expected that from a girl. If you're not gonna give me credit. Why y'all do that?
I mean,
You act like you just from Beverly Hills, and you like, I mean, so you're not serious, right? About the bedroom thing?
I don't know. You acting shy.
What you mean I'm acting shy? Girl, I could,
shy.
look, listen to me, girl. I could get confident real quick.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you getting close, you know what I'm saying? You know, I'm in the number, man.
Let's see.
We'll see?
Yeah.
Well, how long we gonna see?
Y'all give me a reason to give it to you?
Well, you know what I'm saying? For one, I brush my teeth every morning. And for two, I make sure I do my laundry. Three, you know what I'm saying? I can cook. Four, I have a big penis. Yeah, it look like you got it.
I was worried. You had me at the cook part, but.
I had you at the cook part?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. Excuse me. How you doing?
I should spin around like that.
Because I thought you were really pretty.
Thank you.
Yeah, what's your name?
Giovanna.
Giovanna. Oh, she said, thank you. Where are you walking to right now, Giovanna? My
That
name's
was a little
McQueen.
fruity.
Did I say that already?
No, I think you're a
okay.
little nervous.
You think I'm a little nervous? I think I am kind of nervous. You're nervous too. Your hands are all sweaty. Why are your hands sweaty, man?
Why are your hands sweaty?
I'm just, you know, just chilling. You making me nervous for real though. Your hands
You
are
rubbing
sweaty
my
as hell. Yeah. Damn, nigga, look, my shit is wet as hell now.
Nigga.
I'm so done.
Where you walking to right now?
I'm gonna go shopping. get
You're gonna
some
go
shoes.
shopping? Oh, okay. Do you want me to go with you?
Why is he
Maybe
moving
we
so
can get
fruity?
Something like some paper towels so we can wipe your sweaty ass hands
Oh,
off.
really?
Yeah, yeah.
No.
Do you need more reasons?
I know, maybe you can show me better than you can tell me.
I can, definitely, 100%. Did that convince you?
I know.
You don't know?
Convince me through text.
Okay then. Okay. I like how you work. I like how you work. All right, cool. I'm gonna hit you up, Ashley. What's your last name?
Ashley's my last name.
Oh, Ashley. What's your first name?
Don't worry about it.
What you mean? What the hell?
Bye.
Hey, listen, wait. You think I'm cute?
You're right.
I'm all right?
Yeah, you're
Okay. Well, I mean, why you gotta have an ego, man? I think you're beautiful.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're handsome.
I'm handsome?
Take that back. You're handsome.
Okay, cool. See, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing wrong with courtesy. So I don't want to take up too much of your time, but I was wondering if I can.
She
get
ain't
your
fucking with
number.
it.
Someone's calling me. You can get my Instagram.
Look, listen to me. You can't reject me. It's not gonna work like that.
Someone's calling. Do you want my Instagram?
I don't care who's calling. Who the hell is that?
Oh my
You
Okay.
understand how and why like I cannot get rejected? Because I was broke. Now I'm rich. The nigga salty.
Mm-hmm.
No way I can get rejected now. You feel me?
Oh.
You have to give me your number.
Oh, I do?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll give you my number.
Okay, cool. Wait. I thought you was gonna give it to me. Why you look at me like
Fake number.
Have a good day, sir.
that? Okay. I'll hit you up, man. Excuse me. Just came over here because I thought you were beautiful. Why is that funny?
Thank you.
You're welcome. My name's McQueen.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Valerie.
It's McQueen. Are you like? Oh, okay. That's
Her
dope.
friend
That's
looked
dope.
like a hater.
Yes, you do. You already got hairs? What, you been stressing or something?
All her life.
Oh, for real?
All her life.
Damn, what's
No,
wrong
she's
with you?
been having it like.
Oh, for real?
It's like a birthmark.
Damn. It's
Yeah.
genetics? Okay. Well, listen, do you want to like mix our genetics together and make a baby?
Yeah.
She said, yeah? Oh, that just registered right now. Okay, well, that's dope. Okay. Well, do you like light-skinned, tall niggas with black hats on?
Of course.
Oh, okay, so I fit the criteria then.
Yeah,
Oh, okay,
definitely.
okay, for
Yeah,
sure,
he-
for sure, okay.
The
You from
box
LA?
is checked.
Yeah.
You are? Okay, where you stay at? Actually, don't tell me, because you know what I'm saying? I want like more like conversation when we go on our first date, you feel me? I want to keep all the questions for our first date, you feel me? Yeah. See, I can tell just by the way that you acting right now
What?
that my next question will be successful.
What's your next question?
Can I get your number?
Yeah.
Okay, dope.
So are you from here?
This bitch
Yeah,
is
I am.
salty.
But listen, like, you can't be blowing me up, though.
Why?
Because now a nigga can answer calls because I'm balling.
Yo, he
I'm
couldn't
just
pick a
making
better
sure, I'm just
line.
making sure you know that, you know what I'm saying? Because, you know, I got a lot of meetings, I got a lot of people that's calling me, man, so I don't really need you blowing my up. You know what I'm saying?
So you good at
I'm good?
good.
Okay, thank you very
We'll be
much.
good on that.
We good on that? Okay, dope. It was
She ain't
nice to
gonna
meet
call you at
Debbie,
all.
And I will see you later. McQueen. Yeah. Yeah?
Gotcha.
You got it? Okay, cool. And nice to meet you, Valerie. Nice to meet you. All right, I'm gonna hit y'all, or hit you up. Not her, but you. Excuse me.
I think it's so disrespectful.
Why are you smiling like that already?
Good. How are you?
She said good. All right, what's your name?
Kennedy.
Kennedy. My name's McQueen. Dang, your hands sweaty, man.
Oh my God.
Why am I running into so many sweaty niggas today? Where you walking to right now?
Why would he say that?
Oh, okay, you look pretty good.
Thank you.
You know, I'm here because I think you're very beautiful. Did I tell you that part already?
You didn't tell me that.
I did tell you that? Oh, I
Yeah.
didn't tell you that. Okay, well, I'm telling you right now, I think you're very beautiful.
Thank you.
You're welcome, you know what I'm saying? I just got a new car today, though. I don't know if you want to, like, you know what I'm saying, go see it or nothing. I pulled up in the Jeep. I put it on 4G. I want your body. Give me a slap top in the front seat. What, man? I'm serious. You want to go see it?
I don't know.
What you mean you don't know, man?
I'm taking you on
You
a
don't-
date first.
Oh, I can take you on a date?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. We can go in the 4G in you know what I'm saying, in a Jeep. You know what I'm saying? No, yeah, I'll take you on a date. So does that mean that I can get your number? I'm gonna pull out my phone before you start thinking about it too much.
And what's crazy about these videos is like he's finding the like really good looking girls and they're standing there entertaining this
You
bullshit.
think I'm cute?
You're cute.
I'm cute. You stay in LA?
Yeah.
Yeah. What part of LA you stay in?
What's Hollywood?
Oh, so you in the land
Oh,
of
she-
gays.
Wait, what? The fuck? Yo, this guy's too funny.
All right, Kennedy. It's nice to meet you. I'm gonna hit you up.
Bye.
All right. Excuse me. Hi. How you doing? What's your name? Oh, you big smile. What's your name?
Sarah.
Sarah McQueen.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where you walking to, Sarah?
Gonna find something to eat.
You gonna find something to eat? You like chocolate?
I do.
Nigga, you is not chocolate.
You're like a light.
Like, what's wrong with this
I
guy?
don't even know why I said that. I'm
No,
definitely not chocolate.
no.
I'm like a caramel.
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay, you
Yeah.
can do that? You can eat some caramel? Is that gonna fulfill your appetite? Because you know what I'm saying? I wanna make sure you feel good, girl. You know what I'm saying? I wanna make sure you full. You know, I know girls like to eat, you know? Not saying you fat or nothing, don't get that messed up.
No,
you
didn't
know?
think that.
Okay, cool, for sure, for sure. Well, where you about to eat though?
I don't know. I saw Panda Express here.
Okay.
I might get that.
You about to mess
Okay.
with that? Okay. You got a big. I know this. I know this is no. I just I know this is kind of forward, but please don't get mad at me. I'm pretty blunt. You know what I'm saying? You got a big booty.
Do I have a big booty?
Yeah.
I mean, it's a little something. It pokes out a little bit.
Yeah. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Because I was just making sure, you know what I'm saying? Because my ex had a big booty, and I don't want to downgrade. You feel me?
Yeah.
I gotta make sure all the booties in my future are also big. You know? Because Shorty made that ass clap. She didn't need no applause. Yeah. You know. And I just want to make sure you can also make it clap
I think that was the best one that he worked in
with
so
no
far.
applause.
For you.
I mean, you know, if I'm lucky enough to have that, yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I don't think you look like you want to make that ass clap for me.
You know what?
What's up?
I love where you're going with this.
But
I
you don't
do.
want to make that ass clap?
I don't think I can.
You can't?
No, I'm gonna be honest.
Okay.
I don't know if I can.
Okay, well that's fine. I don't want to waste too much of your time because I know you're hungry. But do you mind if I get your number?
It's gonna be a no.
Why? What you mean?
You said you don't want to downgrade from your ex.
Oh my God, so that's where I messed up?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, man.
What's
Don't do that. I
crazy to
didn't-
me
look, I
is
didn't
that
say
that's
I
what
wanted
fucked
to-
him up.
All on the booty.
I
on the
didn't even
wrong
say that, man. All I said, I just wanted to know if you had a big
That's
booty.
okay.
It was a
I'm
joke.
hungry.
Oh my God. All right, what was it? Sarah, right? I'm not even gonna shake your hand, man. F your Panda Express, Sarah.
Guys, don't forget to hit that like button, man, and let me know what you thought about the video. And we're just gonna... Guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button, man. Comment down below. I'll catch you guys later, man.